Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a tour through Mandeville. We are actually driving into the sovereign Mandeville Plaza and we're going to take a look at what's going on with it. Okay, so this is the front of the plaza. This building that we're looking at now is a Shoppers Fair supermarket, and this building is actually going to be demolished. But it's open for now because the supermarket is open. So there you can see the hole there. So this is the Wendy's that's open, up and running. And over here you have Domino's also up and running. And if Sovereign has a lot of plazas around Jamaica, and they're some of the most successful plazas in Jamaica because they follow a very simple formula. For those of you who've been watching the channel, you know what that formula is. For a successful plaza, hold on. In Jamaica, you need three things. You need to build the plaza in a populated area, and you need a brand name supermarket, and you need Alright guys, sorry about that. Okay, so you need three things for a successful plaza in Jamaica. Build it in a populated area, and Mandeville is the largest and most populated town in Jamaica. I'm sorry, not Jamaica, in Mandeville, sorry. In Manchester. And so if this plaza is built in a very populated area, it's within 1 minute walking distance from the busiest part of Mandeville. The second thing you need food stores, and this one has Wendy's and Domino's. There you can see them, and this plaza I should say, and they're also going to have a food court in the actual mall itself. And the third thing you need is a supermarket. You need a large, as I would say, brand name supermarket, and this is it, Shoppers Fair, which is the largest supermarket chain in Jamaica. So once you have those three things, you're going to have a successful plaza. And this plaza is not finished yet, and it is doing extremely well. So what's going to happen is this building is going to be demolished when the space for the supermarket at the back is ready. So a brand new supermarket is being built, or a new structure I should say, for the supermarket. And then the supermarket will move to the back, and then they demolish this building and it becomes a part of the mall also. They'll put up a new building. So this is the front of the mall, and we're going to go and look at the back now where they've actually put up a new structure. I guess you could say the mall itself. This is just the food stores at the front. So this building on the left is going to be demolished, and this is a new structure they put up now. So straight ahead, that is where the supermarket entrance is going to be, and then this is the mall that they built. It's going to be opened later this year. Actually, Hi guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.